15 types of people Americans can't stand. Did you know Americans have a secret set of words to describe almost everyone they meet? If you want to sound like a native and understand exactly what's happening in any social circle, you need to know this code. I'm going to reveal 15 essential personality words that will help you read the room like a pro. Let's see how many of these you've heard before. Number 1, killjoy. This person ruins the fun for everyone else. They're negative, they complain, and they stop people from having a good time. They literally kill the joy in the room. Number 2, miser. This is someone who is extremely cheap with money. They never want to spend anything, even when they have it. They're so cheap that they're miserable. Number 3, know-it-all. Someone who thinks they're smarter than everyone and always interrupts to correct you. They act like they know everything about everything. Nobody likes this person. Number 4, drama queen. Someone who overreacts to everything and makes small problems into huge disasters. Everything is a crisis with them. They are the queen of creating drama. Number 5, backstabber. This is a fake friend who pretends to be nice but talks badly about you behind your back. They betray your trust secretly and stab you in the back when you aren't looking. Number 6, control freak. Someone who wants to control every single detail of a situation. They can't relax unless everything is done their way. They are freakishly obsessed with control. Number 7, gossip. This person always talks about other people's private business. They spread rumors and secrets like it's their job. If they whisper to you, they'll whisper about you. Number 8, show off. Someone who constantly brags and tries to impress everyone. They want all the attention and have to show off everything they own to feel important. Number 9, pushover. This is someone who can't say no. They let people walk all over them because they have no spine or boundaries. They are emotionally easy to push over. Number 10, slacker. Someone who's lazy and avoids doing their work. They slack off constantly while everyone else does the hard part. They are lazy and totally undisciplined. Number 11, busybody. This person is way too interested in your private life. They poke their nose into everyone's business and ask personal questions that are none of their concern. Number 12, two-faced. They have one face for you and a completely different face for everyone else. You never know which version of them you're going to get. Number 13, the yapper. This is what American teens call someone who talks way too much about nothing. They just keep going until everyone is bored to death. Stop the yap. Number 14, party pooper. This is the person who ruins the vibe at a party by being bored or wanting to leave early. They essentially poop on the happy mood of the event. Number 15, the yes man. This person always agrees with the leader just to be liked. They have no original ideas and just say yes to everything. They have no spine to disagree. Now you know all 15. We've all been one of these. I've definitely been a know-it-all before. But which one annoys you the most? Drop a no emoji and tell me your story below. Follow Piece of Cake English for more. Now you know the 15 types of people to avoid. But do you know this secret 15 that Americans actually admire and love to be around? If you want to be the most popular person in the room, you need to know the next list. Stick around and follow right now so you don't miss the 15 personality types that everyone actually loves.